today is raining, so we're gonna go home. Oh my god, this is so flooding. It's a flooding! The mall is wet, the mall is wet. So, this is where's my sister? Sister, say hello to everybody.
Your finger.
Oh, I forgot my finger. And it's flooding. It's also raining.
Okay.
And
Come here. Look. You don't like it?
I like chocolate. And it's flooding. I told you there's a flood warning. Flood warning. Flood warning. Flood warning.
Selai olai. Oci mas selai olai atau bembeng?
Selai olai.
Dia lagi vlog, Kak.
Selai olai. Selai olai.
She is eating the selai olai.
Today I'm going to eat the selai olai, but at home because it's flooding right now. It's flooding. My nightmare. Flooding. It's not. There's no tsunami. There's no tsunami. It's just rain.
That's a tsunami.
There's not a tsunami. There's flooding. Especially our car. And guys, look at news. Everybody just close the shop. Everybody just close the shop. Everybody. Look at me. So bye guys. While you're done in my home, I will record another video. Subscribe for part 2.